choosing what area of tech to get into can feel very overwhelming. I know because I've been there. Hi, my name is Anastasia and welcome to my YouTube channel. Here we talk about tech, career, and leveling up. So please subscribe. Tech industry has so many different jobs. It's crazy. Cybersecurity, data analytics, AI, cloud, DevOps, game development. And at some point, it just starts feeling like opening Netflix and scrolling for 2 hours instead of just picking something. Like when I was in college, I couldn't even imagine how many different opportunities are there in tech industry. And yes, it's hard to pick. And I feel like this is the mistake many beginners make. They try to pick the perfect job right away. It feels like somehow at the beginning, you need to pick and decide what it is that you want to do, like right now. Like you have to make this decision before you even write your first line of code. And let's face it, that's just impossible. Because the truth is, most people don't actually know what these jobs really like day to day. Social media only shows the exciting parts. Not a lot of people are actually showing the day-to-day, the documentation, the pressure, the frustration, or the boring repetitive parts of the job. For example, some people might think that they want to become software engineers because they like the idea of building software, until they realize that a lot of programming is actually reading old code and trying to understand why something broke 3 years ago or 5. Some people want to get into cybersecurity because it sounds exciting, until they realize how much constant learning and pressure comes with it. And that's why some people think that they hate the whole industry of tech, because they just picked the wrong area for their personality. Because tech is not one job. It's a huge industry filled with completely different types of work and completely different types of people. And I think a lot of beginners ask the wrong questions. So instead of asking what makes the most money or what's trending right now, ask yourself this: what kind of problems do I actually enjoy solving? That question matters way more. Ask yourself, do you enjoy building things, designing things, analyzing data, organizing systems, working with people, solving puzzles, explaining technical concepts, improving processes? Because what you like and your personality matter. And ignoring this is exactly why many people get miserable in their careers, in jobs that they thought they were supposed to love. Another thing people forget: your first tech job does not need to be your forever career. A lot of people pivot in tech. Developers become project managers, designers move into research, analysts become engineers. People switch their direction all the time. And please don't make a career decision because some influencer online told you that they make a lot of money. Doesn't mean they tell you full story. Doesn't even mean they tell you the truth. Because most of the areas in tech are becoming high paid only after years of experience, after years of learning, after years of frustration and consistency. And if you hate what you're doing, it becomes very hard to stick with it long enough to succeed. Again, please remember, you don't need to find your dream job right away. Like it doesn't have to be done immediately after you graduate. You just need to find something you enjoy, something you're good at. And that's enough. And remember, you're not locked into one decision forever. You are allowed to explore. You are allowed to change your mind. Because in tech, it's normal. So if you're sitting there overwhelmed, trying to figure out what area of tech to get into, take a breath. You don't need all the answers right now. You just need to start somewhere. And good luck!